everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to stay up on today's video? I'm going to show you how to say friends in Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and on your screen you can see options like swipe, chat, activity, friends and live. But you have to select the user icon at the top right corner right beside the shop option. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and you can see options like get verified, friends and pixel collection. You have to select friends, which is at the second last option. Tap on it, then it might take a few seconds and you can see your friends right there. And guys, that's it. That's how you see your friends in Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.